Hook, you are paying $20 a month for ChatGPT, and you are getting scammed. There are at least 5 AI tools right now that are completely free and honestly better at specific tasks than ChatGPT+. CTA #1. Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button in the corner. It is free, takes 1 second, and you will never miss a video. Do it now. Intro. What if I told you that everything you use ChatGPT for writing, coding, research, brainstorming, you could do for $0 a month with tools that are actually better? Not almost as good. Better. Here is the truth that OpenAI does not want you to know: the free AI tools of 2026 have caught up. And today I am showing you the 5 that will save you $240 this year. Let us get into it. Claude, the thinking person's AI. Number 1 is Claude, from Anthropic. The free tier gives you the same Claude model that enterprises pay for, and here is what makes it genuinely better than ChatGPT. Claude has a 100,000 token context window on the free tier. That means you can paste an entire book and Claude will read the whole thing and answer questions about any part of it. ChatGPT free tier limits you to a fraction of that. Claude is also noticeably better at long-form writing. If you are writing essays, blog posts, or documentation, Claude produces cleaner, more natural prose. And here is the killer feature: Claude can analyze documents, spreadsheets, and PDFs directly. ChatGPT free cannot do that. It can edit code across multiple files in a single conversation. If you are a writer or a researcher, you should be using Claude instead of ChatGPT and paying $0. Gemini, the million token monster. Number 2 is Google Gemini. And this one is actually ridiculous. Gemini gives you a 1 million token context window for free. That is 10 times what Claude offers and about 30 times what ChatGPT free tier gives you. You can upload hours of video, hundreds of pages of documents, entire code bases, and Gemini will process all of it in one go. Gemini is also built into every Android phone, every Google Workspace account, and it is deeply integrated with Google Search. That means when Gemini answers your question, it can verify facts against the live internet in real time. ChatGPT free tier cannot do that. If you need to work with massive amounts of information, research papers, legal documents, entire YouTube transcripts, Gemini is the clear winner. And it costs nothing. DeepSeek, the coding beast. Number 3 is DeepSeek. And if you write code, pay attention, because this is the one that will save you the most time. DeepSeek is a Chinese AI model that is completely free, open source, and it is unbelievably good at writing and debugging code. In recent benchmarks, DeepSeek scores higher on coding tasks than GPT-4. It understands complex algorithms, it can refactor entire projects, and it explains its reasoning step by step, so you are not just copying code, you are actually learning. DeepSeek also has a web search toggle, so it can pull in current documentation and Stack Overflow answers in real time. And because the model is open source, you can even run it locally on your own machine, no internet required. If you are a developer still paying for ChatGPT just to help you code, you are literally burning money. Mistral, the European powerhouse. Number 4 is Mistral Lu Chat. This is the European answer to ChatGPT: fast, no nonsense, and completely free. Mistral excels at structured tasks, generating JSON, writing documentation, translating between languages, and analyzing data. It is built by one of the most respected AI research labs in the world, and their free tier is genuinely unlimited, no message caps, no throttling. Mistral is also the fastest of the 5 tools on this list. Responses come back almost instantly, no waiting, no loading spinners. If you need an AI assistant that just works, without gimmicks, without upselling you a Subscription every 5 minutes. Mistral Chat is the tool you should be using right now. Perplexity, the research assistant number 5 is Perplexity. And this one replaces an entirely different use case. If you use ChatGPT to research topics, find information, or fact-check, stop. Perplexity is a search engine powered by AI, and it is free. Every answer comes with numbered citations, links to the actual sources. You can click through and verify everything. ChatGPT free tier cannot do this. Perplexity also has a feature called Pro Search that asks you clarifying questions before answering, so you get exactly what you need instead of a generic response. And here is what makes it better than Google search. Perplexity synthesizes information from multiple sources into a single coherent answer. You do not have to open 10 tabs and piece things together yourself. If research and fact-finding is your main use case, Perplexity beats ChatGPT, and it is free. CTA #2 if you are getting value from this, smash that subscribe button right now. YouTube shows my next video to subscribers first, and tomorrow I am covering something you are not going to want to miss. So here is the bottom line. You can replace ChatGPT with Claude for writing, Gemini for massive context, DeepSeek for coding, Mistral for speed, and Perplexity for research. Total cost, $0. Total saved per year, $240. CTA #3 subscribe now because tomorrow I am exposing the 5 AI tools that are secretly stealing your data, and you are probably using at least 3 of them right now. The subscribe button is right there in the corner, tap it. YouTube is about to recommend another video. Watch one more before you go. See you tomorrow.